All right, so I'm going to clean up as much of the gunk out of the grooves as I can. So a combination of a repair job here to seal this up, because this might have been causing some leakage if it came into this side of the tray. The water's supposed to come out here and then down. The pillar has a little drain tube that goes down there. But I think this thing's going to be operational today. One thing is the little carrier is pretty common that goes in the back of the slider that has this operate with the glass. That's not going to function anymore. The piece is in there somewhere. So it's give and take. The give is this thing's going to be operational. Hopefully it won't be leaking. And the take is, well, that thing has to be operated manually or you just leave it open. But did a lot of cleaning. There's quite a bit of gunk in there. You can see there's some silicone adhesive there. So I'm just going to keep going and then we'll see what happens. Should be operational today. All right, got this thing working. That's the closed position. Still a little rough. It's just gummed up, so I'm gonna just keep working at it, cleaning the gunk out of there. That's the vent position. So basically, to get the glass out, you just have two screws. If you want to loosen the carrier, this kind of arm, you can pop that up and you can get in and lube everything real good. I got to keep cleaning, obviously. And then to reconnect this, you just kind of pull it out a little, get it back in the channel. And then there's a little groove here. Pop that back in with screwdriver. Poof. And there you go. Closed. Open. You can hear that friction, that's grime on that trolley, that carrier that pulls it. Alright, well, I'm done here for a little bit. I'm going to come back to this, keep cleaning, and then reinstall the glass. Alright, I'm getting close to reinstalling the moonroof. So I'm going to clean it up a little bit, the glass and the everything. I'm also going to put some silicone spray. I'm going to just use this 3-in-1 that I have. I'm going to rub that on the rubber, just kind of give it a little more life, and then I'll reinstall it and we'll test this thing out. think I've done all I can do for this guy for now. So I think I have the sunroof, moonroof, watertight. I'm not sure if I want to operate it yet because the last time we tried it kind of snagged up. So I think I'm just going to tell the owner, just don't use the moonroof. So hopefully it won't leak. I need to get my wife's car back in here. Weather's getting really cold. This thing should hold up. I'll go check it every day, make sure I'm not getting any dampness. I do have some damp rid buckets in there, just in case. Might seem pretty dry. Left all the windows open and everything when I pulled it in here about a week ago. So I was going to change the oil and filters, but they're all new. Oil looks great, perfect level. Air filter is clean, brand new. So what I've done is made the moonroof somewhat operational. I changed the coil packs. What else did I do? Windshield wipers, it's kind of making it safe. Did the brakes, changed the rotors and pads. And I think that's about it. So I think I'm going to park it for the day, and then I think I'll start cruising it around tomorrow after work and put some miles on it, get some of that gas treatment in the fuel system. The engine seems to be running pretty smooth. There's a slight hesitation on acceleration, and that's the fuel system. And I think hopefully I can just degum that with some of that Seafoam high mileage formula. All right, well, a lot of sweat and love went into this thing. Now I'm kind of attached to it. But that just means that hopefully it'll go to somebody who appreciates it as much as I do, and I'm sure they will. So again, keep us in prayer. There's a family out there that needs this thing. Let's let the Lord lead us to them. God bless you guys. Have a good time. Have a good day. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Place is a mess.